Hello, so this is an instructional video on how to do control horns, control surfaces, and push rods, and install servos and all that stuff. So first, let's pretend this is like the wing or the tail of an airplane, and I'm trying to make an elevator or something. So first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut like what you want to do out. So like pretend this part is attached to the plane, and this part moves like that. And then what you're gonna want to do is take your piece that moves and lay a ruler on top of it or something like that, and then you cut it at an angle down so it's beveled like that. And then what you want to do is take your beveled piece, put it upside down, and put the other piece right next to it. I think it's this side, yeah. And then take a piece of clear tape or some kind of tape like this and just lay it over your control surface. So on the back it looks like that, and it's just laid over. And then to reinforce it, it's also good to take it and bend it the other way, and then just lay a piece of tape right over that side so it's nice and good. And now for installing your control horn. Your control horn is the thing that the push rod goes onto, and then that on the other side attaches to the servo, so that moves the... So first of all, what you want to do is you want to lay the control horn flat, like on the foam, and I like to have the tip, like where your push rod's gonna attach to, about on the line. I usually do a little more over so I can have more control. But then what you want to do is stand it up and kind of push it down so it leaves a little indentation, and then take a knife or whatever and cut a little slit right where that is. And then just go ahead and stick your control horn in to see if it'll fit good. And then just go ahead and put a little bit of glue, that was a lot, but a little bit of glue on the end of it, and then just stick it in that hole, push it down so it will glue and then dry in there. And then for your push rods, I use these push rods from Hobbyzone Super Cub. You go onto hobbyzone.com and then you click on Super Cub parts listing, and then they have these big long, this is shorter, but they have big long ones for 99 cents for 2 of them. And they come with the clevis with an adjustable little screw thing so you can make them longer or shorter. And then the other end that attaches to your servo. So what you want to do here is, with mine, you just want to open it up, open this part up, and then it just will slide right through. So the little stick will be going through the hole in the control horn. And then you just slide a rubber band or whatever over so it holds it on. And then that pushes back and forth. The servo pushes that back and forth, and that moves your control surface. Is take a servo and have the other side of the control horn through the servo, and then go ahead and put that on. I had to take my other one out. And then what you do with your servo is you can basically just glue it down onto your foam, or if you want, just trace around the servo on the foam, and then just cut out that shape, and then just stick your servo in and glue it, but I'm not going to do that. So that's how you do push rods, control horns, and all that good stuff. So thanks for watching. Bye.